Okay, so I'm getting ready to, I'm out here on January 28th of 2024, and we're having, yesterday I took the bees out of the root cellar because we had a nice 10-degree day, and today we're getting, it's 8 degrees right now, and I just didn't want to, they're all still alive and they're thriving very well, and I wanted to figure out, I want to open one up and actually look inside and see, maybe pull a frame or two to see how the brood rearing is going, because these hives seem to be very big and I just can't believe that they aren't brooding right now for the size of them. Usually they're not this vibrant and strong, so I'm just interested to know if for some reason they're actually brooding during the winter time, and I've never had a chance to look at a hive this late into winter, and so I'm going to give it a try. I'm trying to do it without smoke. I'm just going to put my gloves on. We'll see how bad it is, whether or not they let me do it without smoke. So let's get at it. I'm going to get dressed up and see if what we see. Kind of thinking they're not going to be all that overly happy with me. So I am going to make sure I have my gloves on, my nice tall gauntlets, so I don't get stung up too bad. Okay. I'm going to try to get something to put. I'm going to try to do it so that I don't Still a little bit chilly out here, so I'm not going to dig in too deep. I just want to see, pull a frame or two and see what I see. Well, I don't see any brood. Not yet. But it is a really healthy looking hive. Well, I don't see any brood in there. That doesn't mean there isn't any. I only took out 3 on the side. There's 20 frames in here. This hive is a pretty nice strong hive, as you can see. It has bees all the way down through both brood chambers. I don't really want to open them up too much more than this. It's not that warm of a day. And I probably should have some smoke. I'm just going to leave this lid off for a little bit and see if they'll wander back in before I put the inner cover back on. Well, I'm going to poke around in these things a little bit more, but I don't think I'm going to videotape it at all. I think there must be brood in there somewhere for them to be that strong. But the ones I pulled out had nothing on them. But there's, like I said, all bees all the way down through both brood chambers. So, yeah, so they could be more, the brood could be more in the middle. Okay, see you on the next one.